number 7 is about the factors because the new syllabus for the Cambridge AS level for paper 1 factor is not included, so I shall skip the factor chapter. So I shall go to directly number 8. Number 8, as we can see, the first one we have to do the completing the square. So we have 2x squared minus 10x plus 8. To completing the square, we have to make this the x squared coefficient 1. So we have to factorize it. So we have 2 times x squared. We only have to factorize until here, this minus 5x plus 8. And then what do we do is this minus 5 we divided by 2 become minus 5 over 2. So x minus 5 over 2 square plus 8 minus with this the 2 times with minus 5 over 2 square. This minus is absolute, remember. So 2 times x minus 5 over 2 square plus with, if I calculate, I got minus 9 over 2. I got minus 9 over 2. So we have got already the A will be 2, the B will be minus 5 over 2, the C equals to minus 9 over 2. And then it asks us the minimum value. And use your answer to state the minimum value. So remember the minimum value, it is this one. So the minimum value will be minus 5 over 2. And then for the second one, find the set of values of k which the equation this has no real roots. So 2x squared minus 10x plus 8 equals to kx. We move the kx to the left. So 2x squared minus 10x minus kx plus 10. So remember, here, if it says no real root, the discriminant is smaller than 0. And the formula for discrimination, it will be b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So here we have to state the a, b, c first. So this one, the a will be 2. And then the b will be minus 10 minus k. C will be 8. Okay, let me try to clean this part first. B square minus 4ac. So we have minus 10 minus k square minus 4ac smaller than 0. So it will be 100. 2 times this plus 20k plus k square minus 64 smaller than 0. So k square plus 20k plus 36 smaller than 0. So here we have to factorize this first. So 36. 18 and 2. So let's say k minus 18, k minus 2 smaller than 0. So it will be this, we got this is about 18, this is 2. Remember, this is inequality, we have to try it. So try this is 2, and then this will be 18. Let's try here. We put this 0. We put it here. So if the k is 0, if the k is 0, so 0 minus 18, 0 minus 2, smaller than 0. Minus and minus, so we got positive. So we got about this is 36, smaller than 0. So this statement is wrong. Wrong. So this part is not included. So if this part is not included, so this one will be correct and then this one will be wrong. So the set of the k value will be 2 smaller than k smaller than 18. Okay, that's for number 8. Number 9, the base of the cuboid have size, length x centimeter and 3x centimeter. Volume is that one. So the total surface area of the cuboid, a centimeter squared is that. So we have the cuboid, this. The base has the length x centimeter and this is 3x. But here we do not know the height is how much. It said the volume is 288. So remember, the volume of the cuboid will be what? Will be x times 3x times with the height. So the volume is 288 equals to 3x squared times the height. So the height will be 288 over 3x squared. So if we simplify it, it will become if we simplify it, it will become 9 6 over x squared. Now it asks us to find the surface area. So the surface area, we have is 2 times, let's calculate the base first. Times, put this, and then this is x times 3x plus with 3x times with the height. The height is 6 over x squared plus x times 96 over x squared. 2 times 3x squared plus, we can cancel this, got 96. It is about 15, 28 over x plus 96 over x. This we can simplify 2 times 3x squared and then after this we expand this 2. So and after this we shall expand times with 2 inside, we shall get 6x squared plus 768 over x. That's the first one. And then the second one, it asks us to find the stationary value of the a. So we shall use the a equation to answer the second one. So we have to differentiate it first. So differentiation of a over dx, it will be 5x minus 768 x power minus 2, or we call it x squared. Let me change it. And then remember stationary value. So the differentiation, it is 0. 0 equals to 5x minus 768 over x squared. This times everything with x squared. So we have 0 equals to 5x to the cube minus. So we move the 768 to the left, equals to 5x. This x the power cube, we got 768 over 12. Let us simplify this. This will be 6, 2, 6, 1. Then, of course, we shall get the x cube. It is 64. We have x cube equals to 64. So the x will be 4. If the x is 4, so we can get the a, that's the value of a, 6 times 4 squared plus 768 over 4. So the a will be 288. And then it asks us to find the nature. The nature, we have to differentiate one more time. The second differentiation. Whenever we talk about the nature, we have to differentiate the second time. So d squared a over dx squared equals to 12 minus, so x squared, then this will become positive, 1536 over x to the power 2. We put the x for the stationary value that we have found is x equal to 4. So 5 plus 1536 over 4 to the power 2. So I got this is 36. Because it is positive, so the nature will be in. Okay, that is for number 9.